In this video, I show you the best 3 apps that pay you real money, which are the easiest ways to earn free PayPal money online this year in 2021. How to do it, we're gonna find out in this video, so stick around to find out how this method works. Also, only a small percentage of people that are watching my videos are actually subscribed, so if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notifications on. It's free and you can change your mind later if you don't like it anymore. And that way, I will notify you whenever I put in a new video, which is every single day. But before we get into it, I have a question for you guys. Do you have a smartphone that you use often? The answer is most likely yes. And if that's the case, then you can get started on making money online even if you've never done so before. This is possible without investing a dime, as it's completely free to do. All you have to do is download the apps that I will show you, do literally nothing, and collect your earnings. For today, we will be going over 3 different apps that can make you money and passive income, and all you need for this to work is to watch this step-by-step tutorial throughout the end, and by then you'll be able to start making money with just your smartphone. Now, right before I explain to you how you can do this, comment down below "I am from" and then put in your country. That way I will know exactly where you are watching me from, so in the future videos I can make sure that every single method released is meant for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below, and don't forget, I have a special bonus for you at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around until the end and keep watching all the way through. Now let's get right into the step-by-step tutorial. Alright, so just like I said in the intro, I have 3 apps to show you today. So without further ado, the first one that we will be using is called userfeel.com. This is an app I reckon many of you didn't even know existed until now. First off, what is userfeel.com? Well, it's an app where you can test various apps and websites and get paid. The way that this works is basically companies from all over the world will need someone to test their applications in order to find any sort of bugs and problems in the aforementioned apps and websites. And this is where userfeel.com comes in. The companies will pay userfeel.com, who will then pay people like us to do the testing for them. So you get paid as simple as that. And as you can guess, such testing does not require any particular knowledge, a set of skills, or experience to do it. And that's precisely why this is the first app I'm showing you today. It's an excellent place to get started on making money online if you've never done it before. Furthermore, this is a very popular app that has over hundreds of thousands of testers from all over the world. So this does work in most countries and will most likely work in your country as well. And this is arguably one of the best features of this app. They also have hundreds of happy clients, and some of the said clients can be seen just below, which, as you can see, include some very big companies that I know some of you will recognize right away. You can also see quite a bit of info about this app, as well as the features they have. Userfeel is a multilingual usability and user testing tool to test any website in any language. Their panel consists of more than 130,000 testers speaking 40 different languages. This, I reckon, brings a lot of their customers to this app, as having testers from all over the world means that the app that's not in English can still be tested without any problems. Here we can see some info regarding the testers themselves, and so it's definitely relevant for us to test on desktop, mobile, or tablet. Testing with both our app and an external camera that allows us to test websites or applications on Android, iPhone, or iPad. That's why back in the intro, I said that you can do this with just your smartphone. In the end, it is of course your decision, but the fact that this is doable on a smartphone is a big bonus because you don't have to be home. Essentially, to be able to test the apps, a phone or tablet is all you need to do, so down here you can see that you can get your results very fast. And some extra info about the app that I simply won't go over because it's irrelevant for us, what you need to do instead is scroll down below and click on Tester FAQ. And that will then take you to this page where you can see that you can get paid $10 per test, with each test lasting between 10 and 20 minutes. In other words, you can get paid $10 in 10 minutes at least, or in 20 minutes at most. That's not a small amount of money considering the fact that you literally don't need any skills to do this. Now, when you come on to this page, I recommend thoroughly reading everything here. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually make, I would really appreciate it if you support our channel by clicking the like button, the subscribe, and also hitting the notification bell. And if we get to 500 likes, I will share with you guys a video showing a secret method that I actually use myself, and I'll show you the proof for my earnings. So make sure to click the like button, and once we get to 500 likes, I'll post that video as soon as possible. Now let's get back into it. First off, a great feature about UserFeel is that you don't need to pay for anything, just like it says here. However, you will need a Windows or Mac computer and a microphone. If you have a laptop, then you don't even need to buy a microphone because it already contains an internal microphone. But if you have or need to buy one, you don't need something too expensive. That literally says here that it can be as cheap as $2. You will not need to use your real name when conducting a test, so no worries about that. Something that is really important to mention, as well as the qualification test, so you won't be able to get started on testing right away. But this qualification just verifies that you have a microphone and you can complete tasks. Once again, it's nothing too complex. The last thing worth mentioning is how you get paid. As you can see, you do get paid through PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or others. And I know for some of my comments that some of you want apps that will pay not through cryptocurrencies alone, but also through other means. And with this app, PayPal is most definitely an option. Now, to get started with UserFeel, all you have to do is scroll down below, click on Become a Tester, and just fill these out to start making money. Now, moving on to the second app on our list, it's honeygain.com. Honeygain is a perfect way to earn passive income online. This app is quite a bit different in comparison to the previous one because you will be making money by sharing your internet. Now, do not worry, your security is not at risk or anything, and as you can see here, Honeygain is indeed secure. It ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asks for or gains access to the storage of your device, so they will not steal your data, and your internet traffic is only used by the people they trust. If you want to read more about this, you can click right here. Just below, you can see how Honeygain actually works. Long story short, it makes the internet more accessible to other users out there, and in turn you get paid for just that. Down here, you can see the 5 steps to Honeygain. The first step is installing it, then run Honeygain. The app will gather data using your internet data, which will help other businesses in the process, and finally, you get paid. You do so through PayPal or Bitcoin. The last thing worth noting about this app that I can't leave out is the fact that it does not pay a huge amount of money, and the money you get depends a lot on your internet connection. But I have to remind you that this is a passive income method, not an active one, as was the case with the first app. With Honeygain, you can just leave it running and it makes you money. So in my opinion, you should actually use both Honeygain and UserFeel if you don't have the time, and that will make you more money. The third app that we will be covering today is called moneyapp.org. This is one of the best rated apps of this kind that I've ever seen out there. And as you can see, it's also available for both Google Play Store and Apple App Store. If you come over to the App Store, you will see that not only does this app have a 4.9 star rating, but the said rating is given by hundreds of thousands of people. So this just proves that this app can and will get you paid. You will get paid by completing various tasks they have to offer, which will earn you credits, which you will then exchange for money. So that's all there is to it, nothing too complicated, and that wraps it up. Those are the best 3 apps that pay you real money in 2021. And now if you want to earn even more money, go ahead and watch all the other videos we have on our channel. They are very helpful and they've helped so many viewers just like yourself make a lot of money online or start their online business. Thank you so much guys for watching, and be sure to drop a like, subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.